Hello beautiful people, are you looking for a low maintenance, stylish way to protect your hair and help it grow? In today's video, I'm showing you how I install this twisted braid protective style step by step. If your goal is healthy hair and length retention, keep watching because I'm also going to be sharing why the protective styles are a game changer for the hair growth. Now let's get into the process. I'm starting by sectioning off the part of my hair where I'll install the braid. I make sure my hair is washed, deep conditioned and fully detangled. You want your hair as healthy as possible before installing any protective style. Next, I part the section into two clean pieces. I make sure the part is straight so the twist lays neatly. Now I take my braid extension and place it right between the two sections. And then I'm securing it with a small elastic band. This helps to anchor the braid so it doesn't slip or unravel. You want it snug but not too tight to protect your scalp. Then I'm twisting each section around the braid extension, keeping the tension even as I work my way down. The key here is consistency. You want the twist to look uniform from top to bottom. When I reach the ends, I secure it with another elastic so it stays put. I love how these techniques blend my natural hair with the extension for a seamless look. Now, when it comes to the benefits of putting on a protective style, first of all, they reduce daily manipulation, meaning you are not constantly brushing, combing or styling your hair. This cuts down on breakage. They also keep your ends tucked away, protecting them from friction, harsh weather and split ends. And since your ends are the oldest and most fragile part of your hair, keep them safe helps you to retain length. Protective styles also lock in moisture, especially if you prep your hair right with a good leave-in and oil. Moisture retention prevents dryness and makes hair stronger over time. And if you're trying to grow your edges or recover from damage, protective styling gives your hair a chance to rest and remain without daily stress or heat styling. is the finished result. I like it so very much. This twist braid is not only cute, but it's also working behind the scenes to protect my hair and to support my hair growth journey by reducing manipulation, protecting my ends, and helping me retain moisture. This protective style is helping me achieve my hair growth goals without sacrificing style. Plus, it saves me so much time every morning, and I don't have to worry about heat damage or even styling. It's a low maintenance, versatile, and gives my hair the break it deserves. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this twist braids, or if you have a favorite protective style for growing your hair. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel.